Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sinep Alfika. Here I will present material about hardware and software. What is the meaning of computer? A computer is a series of electronic machines consisting of a million of components that can work together and form a neat and thorough working system. The system is then used to carry out work automatically, beside on the instruction or program give to it. To operate a computer, there are three main components that must be fulfilled because these three have a very important role. If even one of these three components is missing, then you can be sure that the computer will not to be able to operate. The three component is a question are hardware, software, and brainware. The following is an explanation of hardware and software. Hardware computer is a component in a computer system that can be physically seen and felt. If there is no hardware in the computer system, nothing will be operated. Think of the bits you can touch. Computer hardware consists of input device, output device, processing device, and supporting storage. The first one, computer input device. In computing, an input device is equipment used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system, such as a computer or information equipment. There are many types of devices that are used to control and input data into a computer. Example are mouse, keyboard, scanner, joystick, microphone, and webcam. A computer mouse is a handle hardware input device that controls a cursor in a GUI and can be moved and used to select text, icons, file, and folders. Meanwhile, the touchpad has the same function as a mouse on a computer, but the touchpad is usually only used on laptop device. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter character and function into a computer system by pressing keys. The keyboard is the main device used to enter text. Keyboard usually contain keys for individual letters, number, and special character, as well as keys for specific function. The keyboard connects to the computer system using a cable or wireless connection. A scanner allow you can to scan print material and convert it into a microphone is an electronic device for converting sound signal into digital signal so that they can be stored, manipulate or transmit using information and communication technology. A joystick is an input device can be used to control the movement of a cursor or pointer on a computer device. Webcam is short for web camera, which is a digital camera device to be connected in a computer or laptop. Next, computer output device. A plotter is a graphic printer that drawing using ink pens. The plotter is also the first output device capable of printing images the size of architectural and engineering drawing. Process device is the device that processes data on the computer. Central processing unit is a component in the form of a chip that has a rectangular shape which control the computer work process, which is assisted by other components. Its function is to manage all program process on the computer and also a place to manage all activities that occur on the computer. Motherboard. The motherboard is the function of connecting and controlling all the main elements of a computer or digital device. The firmware on the motherboard control and coordinate all the basic functions for running a PC. A component of computer hardware that connect the graphic process to output equipment in the front of a monitor. And the second material I will present about software. Software is a program used on a computer in the front of instruction that the computer can understand. The software operates the hardware on the computer. You can't touch software. All computer software can be used according to the instruction of the user. Therefore, the greatness of a software depends on the user. If a user has high expertise in using a software, then the work he produces will on course be of high quality too. It's different if a user lacks the ability to use the software, then of course the result of the work they use will of course to be poor quality. The following is a division of software based on type: operating system, application software, programming language, and utility software. Operating system. The operating system is a special type of program that loads automatically when you start your computer. This type of software is used to manage each hardware device is connected to the computer's CPU. Apart from that, the operating system also has a function in the translating activities and managing all a process that occur and are ordered by user on the CPU so that the user's command can be carried out by the computing properly. Some examples of software: Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. In Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu, GNOME. In macOS, macOS Classic, macOS X. And the second one, application software. An application program is the type of program that you use once the operating system has been loaded. The software can function according to the purpose for which it was created. The following is an example of software. Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office, there is Microsoft Office Word, which is used to type and edit documents in paper. Then Microsoft Excel not much different from Microsoft Word. Microsoft Excel is also a fairly popular office tool. This device is used to edit and create documents with column displays, calculating and processing data. And payroll application for processing employee payroll data in a company. Microsoft Office PowerPoint is used to create a presentation. It can also be used to edit photos, create videos, and much more. Programming language is a notation system for writing computer programs. Most programming languages are formal language based on text, but many also be graphical. The types of software is the language used to create a program. If explained beside on example, there are several types of language that we can know, such as Java, PHP, HTML, C, C++, and many others. In making this programming language, you will still need special software to design program according to the method and structure the programming language itself. Computer virus. Viruses are small program. Viruses are small programs that hide themselves on your disk. The following is a schematic of the relationship between the main component of a computer, where brainware operates software in the form of software application system and operating system that can be operated on hardware. Conclusion. From these two summaries, it can be concluded the computer hardware consists of various components such as input device, process device, output device, and storage device. The computer's software consists of operating system, software application, programming language, and antivirus. Each component has different function in the computer operation. This hardware works together with software to process data and information according in the instruction given. Software can be optimized to run more efficiently by making maximum use of hardware capabilities. Conversely, powerful hardware can improve the performing of complex software. The relationship between software and computer hardware is very important in determining the performance, functionality, and user experience of a computer system. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.